Hi guys, we're gonna do a quick garden tour, and I'm gonna try to record this on my phone. Let's see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can kind of see what we're working with. We're still what you call a work in progress. A lot of construction going on here to rearrange my garden space. Remember, I said I want to make it beautiful, so this is where we're at. So in between the rain, I am able to come and check everything out. But as you can see, I still have a lot of things that, this stuff here needs to be moved in that area in the back. And as you can see, I got some of the pallets down. So I still have a few I unscrewed that I'm trying to get down as well. So let's look at what we got going on in the garden. Right here we have our tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. That's enough for me that I can handle. Right now I'm not growing the big ones, but so far I'm pleased with the way these are growing. I am getting good harvest off of them. As you can see, I always trim the bottom of my tomatoes so I don't have to worry about the blight or anything like that. That's something I picked up from another gardener. We're gonna move over and we're gonna look at, I did harvest today, so I just came back out to do a quick update. This is my pepper plant. I think these are my banana peppers, and I have been eating off of these. I have a couple of more growing. They're budding up really good. This is a zucchini plant that I really need to move because this was planted way before the zucchinis in the back. This is another cherry tomato plant right here. And we do have zucchini growing on that tomato plant, on that zucchini plant, I'm sorry. We have our watermelons right here. We have 3 types of watermelons. We have our sugar babies. These are the dark ones right here. And I actually have 2 of them. These 2, I have to check that this one was sitting down here. I don't know if something is getting on it or if it's going bad or what. We'll see it another day or 2. And then I have 4 total. And these vines are getting long, and I know I actually planted them in the wrong thing. My bad. We have collards here. I came out to check them earlier, and I actually, for the first time, seen the little wormy things on them. Let me see. Here goes some right here. If you can see it. He's just a moving. And I have my marigolds. They haven't bloomed yet. I have my okra plant. And I actually planted, if you can see the ones with the red stems, those are the burgundy okra. My first time with them. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how those are going to grow out. In the back, I have my jalapenos. Those are the green peppers. They're growing. I have some mixed greens back here that's starting to flower. I'm getting ready to pull those up because I haven't actually even did anything with them. Back here I have basil, and I have 3 types of okra: emerald okra, Louisiana velvet, and crimson. If you notice, I have a lot of things in the pools, which I really like using my pools. They do wonders. Over here I have some more tomato plants, and I have a squash plant. I had 2 squash plants, but I pulled one up. This one here, I thought I was going to pull it up, but I actually see 4 more squash that's trying to come. Over here is my garden, elevated garden bed. I actually built these myself. I made 2 of them, and I'm just starting to fill them up and put them where I want to put them. And this dirt here, the soil, it came from over here, this spot here where I had the other part of this pallet garden bed, which is finna come up. If you can see, I already started breaking boards, cutting boards. I have so many screws in this thing, and now it's like terrible trying to get it loose. Back here I have in my trough, I actually have onions in here, and it has been very hard for me to get to them. I'm not going to bother them, but now since I got this pallet thing up, maybe I can get to them better and they can start thriving a lot better. Altogether, I have 4 elevated garden beds. This is one I ordered. So this one came ordered, and these are my herbs here. This one here I just built last week. It's a 4x4, and I have another 5x3 garden bed that I built. And if you could tell, I have a lot of more wood. I have like 2 more that I'm about to build to go with, because I don't want anything on the ground. I'm scared of bugs, and as you can see right now, I'm in a safety hazard zone. I run when I see bugs. Yes, I am gardening, but I am scared of bugs. My greenhouse, which does wonders. A lot of people have bad experiences with our high winds that we've been having. I had no problem. Right now, it's a storage space for my potting stuff, and I also have some of my amendments in there as well. Back here I have spring onions and green onions, and we have so much cottonwood that's growing around here, guys. Cottonwood is starting to replant itself, and I have to pull that. That's the most, for these garden pools. That's the most issues I have with them is, you know, when the cottonwood is going, I have to pull those weeds because you don't have a lot of weeds to grow in them. This garden pool, the pink one back here, I'm keeping 2 pink ones and the 2 little blue ones. My grow bags, I am going to keep them once they're done. I'm going to kind of like refurbish them, put them away, and just in case I want to use them for a future project. The 3 big ones I do have, I'm donating those to my neighbor. He gardens, but anyway, we're not gonna go there. Back here, I built this water catchment system. I'm not finished. I'm so frustrated because I came to check to see if water was in it, and when I came out here, and I'm assuming the high winds did it or whatever, but if you could tell, them 2 pieces had disconnected, so it wasn't anything, nothing got filled. So I'm thinking maybe I need to take it down from take it off 1 pallet. It's like 3 pallets high plus some bricks. So we're gonna try that hopefully over the next few days, and if not, I'm gonna have to do some rigging. I might have to tape those connectors right there to see if that could have been the problem, because if not, I'm gonna have to buy another one. I did buy them used from down here. I got mine for like $40, and I know a guy that's selling them for $30 and $40, so I am going to probably reach out to him and get another one. We are all this here in the back, we're going to throw it away. All the fence, I don't want to say fence, all the boards I'm keeping because I'm continuously doing projects with them. And if you can see this fence right here, that's something my husband did help me put up. I put up all the fencing part. He helped me with the structure, put that up. We almost finished with that. I got to tack the bottoms, and I started putting my solar lights around. I got 2 more I have to put up in those 2 corners because that's the area that I could not get in. And this is not my grass. That is my neighbor's grass. He got to cut. He haven't cut in like 5 months. But anyway, we have a lot of construction. Well, I would say beautifying I need to do. And I'm trying to let my flowers do whatever they're going to do before I rip this sucker up. They might have to freestand. Some of the sunflowers already then fell over. But when they first got up there, they was pretty. What else? And this, where these boards are, I'm gonna use those boards to make this next garden bed. And then where this table's at, the rest of the fence is gonna go. And in between there, I do have my gate already for the fence built. So it's just about demolishing the rest of this here, moving it out the way, so I can put these in their spot, and then I can start doing the doing the layout, landscaping. So it's just a process. I do 99.9% of it by myself, and I do homeschool. Since school's been out, I do homeschool some kids. So I do what I can do when I can do it. And my goal is to try to have it completed before school start. So again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And just know that we're gonna have more projects going on, and as well as gardening. I'm about to start inside on planting some things. Bye, chickas. See you later, chickas. Bye, chickas. Okay. My girls are getting ready to leave. They love to come to the garden with me, but I tell them if they don't have their boots, they can't go. Make sure you bring your boots for extra shoes. Bring your boots for extra shoes. I don't like them coming out here without their boots because I don't want anything to crawl up on me, and I definitely don't want it to crawl up on them. But going back, I'm going to end this video. And if you do like this video, again, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And that's where you can really keep up with me on what I'm doing with the garden area, as well as what I'm going to be planting. I am in Zone 8B, Central Texas, Waco, Texas. It's not many of us out here that's really communicating as far as gardening. There's not too many channels out here that's in 8B as far as Waco. So if you're looking to get some advice, I'm not an expert, but I can share what I do know. You may see something that I'm doing that you want to try to do yourself. Again, and I can, you know, do the best I can do on helping you. So again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit like and share my video. Looking forward to seeing you and maybe communicating with you in the future. Thank you. At Love Ladies Garden Projects and more, we're doing everything with love.